Stop scrolling for a second. Look at your reflection. What if I told you that in just 1 minute, you could transform your presence on stage like a real K-pop idol? Your dance moves can be perfect, your choreography flawless. But if your stage presence isn't strong, no one will notice you. The good news? You don't need years of training. You don't need a studio, a coach, or special equipment. All you need is one secret 1 minute routine. The same tricks K-pop idols use to grab attention instantly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. And trust me, you'll want to start practicing right now. And hey, if you love learning K-pop secrets and want to level up fast, hit subscribe and join the Next Gen Idols family. Let's make you unforgettable. First, why stage presence matters. Here's the truth most trainees don't realize. Stage presence matters more than your moves. You can perform every step perfectly, hit every beat, and still fade into the background. Stage presence is what makes an idol unforgettable. It's not about fancy moves. It's about how do you own the space around you? How your energy reaches every corner of the room. How your confidence tells everyone watching. Look at me. I belong here. Idols don't just dance. They command attention. And the best part? You can start building this today. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact 1 minute routine that makes your energy, confidence, and aura stand out, even if you've never performed on a stage before. Here is the 1 minute power techniques. Now it's time for the heart of the video, the 1 minute routine that instantly improves your stage presence. These are the same secret techniques idols use before auditions, performances, and music videos. And the best part? You can do them anywhere, right now. We'll break it down into 4 simple steps, each lasting about 15 seconds. Focus fully on each step and watch your energy transform. Step 1 is posture mastery for 15 seconds. Stand tall, chest lifted, shoulders relaxed. Slightly lean forward as if drawing the audience in. Imagine a string pulling your head up. Your posture alone instantly makes you look confident. Step 2 is micro-expression control for 15 seconds. Your eyes and eyebrows communicate emotion more than your moves. Practice small changes. A confident glance, a soft smile, or an intense gaze. Don't overdo it. Subtlety is the key. Step 3 is aura and energy projection for 15 seconds. Visualize your energy extending from your body to the audience. Every gesture, a hand movement, step, or turn projects confidence. Move intentionally, not randomly. Make your presence felt in every corner of the room. Step 4 is the stage anchoring trick for 15 seconds. Pick 3 anchor points on the stage or camera. Focus briefly on each as you perform. It helps your movements feel purposeful and controlled. This simple trick makes your performance look professional instantly. Now that you've mastered the 1 minute power routine, let's go deeper. Stage presence isn't just about confidence. It's about mastering the small details that K-pop idols spend years perfecting. Now, I'm going to share the exact insider secrets idols use to captivate audiences, even during auditions. By the end of this section, you'll have the tools to perform like a professional idol. First, let's talk about eye contact. Eyes are the fastest way to connect with your audience. In auditions, judges often say they feel a trainee's performance through their eyes, even more than through their movements. To practice, pick a mirror or a camera. Perform your choreography while maintaining eye contact with your reflection. Switch expressions every few seconds, from serious to playful to intense. Don't just look. Communicate with your eyes. Make the audience feel like you are telling them a secret only they can hear. This simple trick instantly makes you more memorable. Next is the balance between smile and charisma. Smiling too much can make you look nervous, while not smiling at all can make you seem cold. The key is a controlled smile, gentle and confident, mixed with short moments of intensity. Imagine using a 70% confident smile and 30% serious energy. Record yourself performing with different smile levels and choose the one that feels most natural. The secret is knowing when to smile and when to shift into intensity, and this keeps people watching. The third secret is what I call the energy bubble technique. Idols don't just dance in their space. They expand their presence to fill the entire stage. Visualize a bubble of energy around your body, stretching outward. Every movement, whether a hand gesture, a step, or a turn, should push energy into that bubble. When you turn or move, imagine the audience feels it in their chest. This is how idols make even small stages feel massive and why their performances feel magnetic. Another important tip is controlled breathing. Nervous performers breathe shallowly, and it shows in their movements. Before performing, inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 2, then exhale for 6. During dancing, breathe with your moves. Exhale on strong hits and inhale on soft transitions. Controlled breathing makes your movements smooth, natural, and powerful. It gives the appearance of calmness and control, even during fast or difficult choreography. Next is practicing the mirror-to-camera transition. Practicing in a mirror builds confidence, but auditions and performances happen in front of a camera or an audience. Start by mastering your routine in front of a mirror. Then film yourself with a phone or camera. Watch the recording and notice what energy is lost or what feels off. Adjust your movements until your presence comes through just as strongly on camera as in the mirror. This is how idols make every performance look perfect on stage and on screen. Another secret is what I call the 3-second rule. Every performance has tiny micro moments where the audience decides whether to be captivated. Break your performance into 3-second blocks. In each block, shift something: your facial expression, focus, or intensity. These constant, subtle changes keep the audience engaged and make your performance feel dynamic. This is why idols appear alive and magnetic on stage. Finally, many idols use journaling to track their growth. After every practice, they write down what worked, what didn't, and what to improve. You can start by writing answers to these questions. What did I feel confident about? Where did I lose energy? What is one small thing I will improve next time? Journaling builds awareness, discipline, and focus. The idols you admire aren't just talented, they are meticulous about growth. By practicing these 7 insider techniques consistently — eye contact, controlled smile, energy projection, breathing, mirror-to-camera adaptation, the 3-second rule, and journaling — you won't just have stage presence. You'll have a magnetic aura that makes people stop, watch, and never forget you. Start using these secrets today and watch your performances transform from ordinary to unforgettable. Now that you've learned the 1-minute power routine and the 7 insider secrets idols use, it's time to put everything together. Remember, stage presence is not something you're born with. It's something you train, control, and own. Every great idol you admire started exactly where you are right now, unsure, nervous, and practicing in small spaces. The difference is, they chose to focus on the details that make them unforgettable. And today, you've learned those same secrets. Here's what I want you to do next. Don't just watch this video. Take action immediately. Stand up, stretch, and go through the 1-minute power routine. Focus on your posture, your energy, your eyes, and your expressions. Repeat it 3 times in a row if you can. Feel the change in your confidence. Even in the first few minutes, you will notice your energy shifting, your presence improving, and your movements looking sharper. Then, take the 7 insider tips and add them into your practice every day. Focus on eye contact, control your smile, expand your aura, breathe with intention, adapt from mirror to camera, change something every 3 seconds, and track your progress in a journal. This is not about doing everything perfectly right away. It's about small, consistent improvements that compound into a magnetic stage presence. Imagine walking into any audition or performance in the next month. You step on stage, your posture is strong, your eyes connect with the audience, your energy fills the room, and every move you make has purpose. People will notice you. They will remember you. You will feel unstoppable. That's the power of focused stage presence, and it's yours to take. Here's another secret. The mindset you carry is just as important as your movements. Every time you practice, tell yourself, I am capable. I am growing. I am unforgettable. Say it out loud if you can. Believe it. Because when your mind believes it, your body follows naturally and your presence becomes magnetic. And don't forget, the journey of a K-pop performer is about discipline, dedication, and joy. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every improvement is a step toward the idol you want to become. Every extra practice, every time you notice and correct a small detail, you are one step closer to standing out on stage. If you want more K-pop training secrets, practical routines, and insider tips that help you improve faster than anyone else, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video, and join our community of dreamers and fighters who are taking their skills to the next level. Finally, remember this. You don't need a studio, you don't need expensive equipment, and you don't need anyone else to validate your progress. All you need is focus, consistency, and belief in yourself. Start practicing today. Apply everything you learned in this video, and watch yourself transform. Your journey as a performer starts now. The stage is waiting, the audience is waiting, and your future self will thank you for starting today. So take a deep breath, step into your energy, and own your presence. Practice daily, stay consistent, and remember, you are capable of becoming unforgettable. Next Gen Idols is here to guide you every step of the way. Keep training, keep dreaming, and keep shining. Subscribe, practice, and join the family. Your stage presence transformation starts today. You've got this.